Hello everyone, welcome to Liquid Glucose Plant of Sylvan Agriculture Limited.
Before you start visiting, let us introduce some regulations of the plant.
Number 1. Please look at the road map of the plant.
You will get a clear scenario of the plant here.
Number 2. Put off your outer shoes and keep them in the outer shoes boxes.
Or you can also wear shoe covers over your outer shoes, which will cover your whole shoes.
Number 3. Use access control by your finger to open the main gate, enter the plant.
If you don't have the access, then push the calling bell and we will come to the door after a while.
Number 4. You can use foot bath, hand bath to clean your hands and legs. Also dry your hand-in-hand dryer.
But this is not mandatory. If you are tidy, then you can avoid it.
Number 5. Please sanitize your hand and wear tissue cap, mask, air plug, plant's handle, or shoe cover for the food safety issue.
Number 6. You will find a visitor form on the desk. Please fill up this form at this stage to ensure your convenient visit.
Number 7. You will find the product display in the showcase on the west side of the room where you can gather knowledge about our works.
Number 8. Go through the entire door and you will find the Almira with cabinets here.
You will find the aprons on first and Sakona cabinet. Please wear the aprons and it's mandatory.
Number 9. Go straight path, then turn right and you will reach at the air shower sanitizer capsule room.
The door of the room will automatically open. Please don't enter more than 4 people at a time. It will take 12 seconds to do the operation of body sanitization.
After that, the door will open automatically. Passing the area, you have entered on Glucose Plant area. Here you will find the road marking to follow the different paths.
Number 10. After visiting, we will take you to the red exit door. After exiting from Glucose Plant, you will find a bin to keep your aprons. Please keep it in a right order. Number 11. After the 10-number process, you will reach at the main door point. You will find a visitor feedback box.
Before leaving our plant, please write down few notes about our plant, products, our environment, then put your opinion letter in the feedback box.
Please feel free to give us any kinds of suggestion that you can provide.
One special note is that during your visit, if any kinds of fire issue happen, then please don't be panicked with this.
Our special firefighter team will help you to reach at the safe place by emergency exit gate.
Thank you very much for maintaining our plant rules.